It is said that the vehicle a person drives is a reflection of their personality. And there's no vehicle to better demonstrate this than a Subaru. It's versatile, responsible, and progressive, and built to last. And genuine Subaru accessories are built to personalize the driving experience for any adventure, big or small. But genuine Subaru accessories provide much more than style and personalization. They provide a level of safety and durability that typical aftermarket accessories can't match. They're designed by a team of Subaru accessories engineers and manufactured to the same rigorous standards as the rest of the Subaru vehicle to help ensure quality, reliability, and value for the road ahead. Extensive testing procedures help ensure that all government standards are met, in addition to Subaru engineering specification and performance targets. From environmental and strength testing to vibration and chemical resistance assessment, all Subaru accessories undergo certified lab trials and computer simulations and are also performed in real-world environments. When it comes to accessories, one size does not fit all. Genuine Subaru accessories are precision engineered using original computer-aided design data for each Subaru model. Genuine Subaru accessories are specifically made for the vehicle they're sold for, which means they fit better, perform better, and last longer than aftermarket editions.
Whether accessories that help to add protection and security, audio upgrades, convenience electronics, or lifestyle accessories by Thule, accessory planning and testing can start 3.5 years before a new Subaru model is introduced. Plus, they're designed in conjunction with the vehicle for precise form, fit, and function.
Genuine Subaru electronic accessories are designed according to the vehicle's original specifications and are fully integrated into Subaru vehicle systems. Wiring and body integrated unit software are pre-arranged during the manufacture of the Subaru vehicle to allow for faster installation and seamless integration of electronic accessories.
Plug-and-play, pre-wired connections help ensure higher performance and robust functionality. Every genuine Subaru audio upgrade accessory is acoustically measured and custom-tuned to provide optimum sound quality.
To help ensure seamless operation and uninterrupted functionality, genuine Subaru accessories are directly incorporated into the vehicle's electrical infrastructure. In addition to environmental testing, electrical and electromagnetic testing is performed to address a variety of concerns, such as short circuit prevention, overcurrent safety, and battery current management. Subaru accessory technology is developed and tested with the vehicle's complex, integrated electrical system in mind, eliminating the possibility of electrical interference to vehicle systems.
For a precise fit and improved durability or compatibility, Subaru engineers are in close collaboration with Thule during the design and development of genuine Subaru lifestyle accessories.
We work hand in hand with the Thule Group and perform a series of tests to help ensure all racks and carriers comply with Subaru unique requirements.
Subaru's commitment to safety is what sets the genuine Subaru trailer hitch apart from aftermarket hitches. The genuine Subaru trailer hitch is designed to attach to the vehicle structure in such a way that it becomes an integrated component, not only for towing, but also from a safety perspective.
It is developed in conjunction with the vehicle and undergoes rigorous testing, as its installation method is an important area to consider when purchasing this type of accessory.
Our trailer hitch is validated to provide optimal clearance, the required strength, and superior safety. They are crash tested with the vehicle as a complete system to verify they do not negatively impact any safety features of the vehicle and to help ensure the vehicle's IIHS rating is maintained. Genuine Subaru protection accessories, including all-weather floor liners, are precision engineered using vehicle CAD data for every trim level of every Subaru model. Unlike typical aftermarket floor liners, genuine Subaru all-weather floor liners are extensively evaluated and undergo a series of functional tests to help ensure a precise fit and to keep genuine Subaru accessories on the leading edge of safety. Genuine Subaru accessories are covered by Subaru's 3-year, 36,000-mile limited warranty, even if the accessory is installed after retail delivery. Accessories installed after the 336 vehicle warranty period are backed by a 1-year unlimited mileage warranty. Genuine Subaru lifestyle accessories by Thule carry a limited lifetime warranty for the original purchaser. genuine Subaru accessories can be included in monthly payments for added convenience. When a trusted Subaru certified technician installs a genuine Subaru accessory, it is installed with the same care and precision that goes into the manufacturing of the Subaru vehicle. Subaru technicians receive comprehensive training on every accessory and system in a Subaru vehicle to help ensure a seamless integration every time. Whether looking to preserve and protect, equip for any adventure, or simply increase personal style, value, safety, and security that lasts begins with genuine Subaru accessories.
Meet the Subaru Forester. It's everything you love about a Subaru in a right-sized SUV. Symmetrical all-wheel drive for extra confidence. Extra wide rear gate opening for easy loading. And when you make every adventure your own with genuine Subaru accessories, you'll find even more to love. Genuine Subaru accessories are designed and engineered to the same rigorous safety standards as the rest of your vehicle. They're backed by the balance of the vehicle's 3-year or 36,000-mile limited warranty, or an original purchaser's limited lifetime warranty for our lifestyle accessories by Thule. Join us now for a closer look at some of the most popular accessories that will help you personalize and protect your Subaru Forester. Help protect your Forester from parking lot mishaps and keep it looking like new. Attractive, color-matched body side molding coordinates with the styling of the vehicle and helps guard against unsightly door dings. There's no telling what the road ahead is going to throw at your vehicle. Genuine Subaru splash guards help shield the paint from stones and road grime, while adding a purposeful look to your Forester. Stainless steel, custom fit, and color-matched, these door edge guards help keep up the appearance of your Forester while seamlessly blending into the door design. This easily installed accessory will help protect your door edges against dings and chips, no matter where life takes you. The durable engine underguard is custom designed to fit your Forester and provides additional protection from gravel and minor road debris. The steel underguard directly replaces the original plastic under the cover and still allows access to the oil drain plug for regular maintenance. This accessory is painted black to resist corrosion and is also available in aluminum for a lighter weight alternative. Keeping your Forester looking new on the inside is easier than you might think. The Door Scuff Protector helps keep shoe scuffs and scrapes off your doors when getting in and out of your vehicle. The unique texture complements the design of the Forester door panels. Whether you're trekking up a mountain trail or conquering the white waters, snow, sand, dirt, grime, and moisture are kept in their place with the all-weather floor liners. Custom fitted, these high-walled, heavy-duty floor liners help protect the vehicle's carpeting, no matter what the journey has in store. Nothing compares to traveling with your furry companions to make your next adventure all the more fun. But it can get a little messy too. The genuine Subaru rear seat cover protects seats from dirt and spills, and of course, muddy paw prints. Made with a polyester front and polyurethane coated back, the custom-fitted seat cover is machine washable, water resistant, and latch accessible. Not only is the seat cover great for pets, but it's ideal for kids and life on the go. When you need to lower the rear seats to transport larger cargo, you can count on the genuine Subaru Rear Seat Back Protector to help guard against damage to the rear seat backs. For optimal protection and a seamless look to the cargo area, use with the cargo tray. Keep your items in place and help protect the interior cargo area from sand, water, stains, and other messes with a genuine Subaru cargo tray. A specially designed surface helps reduce the shifting of cargo while driving. The cargo tray can easily be removed from the vehicle and rinsed clean. Equip your Forester with a genuine Subaru cargo net. It neatly holds cargo and prevents it from sliding while the vehicle is in motion. The cargo net can be used in two ways. Anchor it to the sides of the cargo area to help prevent shifting from front to back, or lay it across the floor to help keep things from rolling around. Either way, you'll be ready for whatever is around the next bend. The best way to keep your personal items personal is with a cargo cover. It's fully retractable, provides maximum coverage, and keeps everything out of sight in the cargo compartment. You can help protect the upper surface of the Forester's painted bumper from scratches and scuffs when loading or unloading your gear with the rear bumper cover. Some adventures require a little extra room. Add a crossbar set to increase the cargo carrying capabilities of your vehicle. Choose from fixed, aero, or aero extended, depending on which Forester model you drive and your preference on style or function. Crossbar sets may be used with genuine Subaru rooftop attachments and carriers. Up the excitement factor of your next excursion with a little paddle action. The Thule Kayak Carrier features a steel design and adjustable padding to help protect your kayak. A wide mouth profile allows for easier loading and unloading. This is a J-style carrier that easily folds down when not in use for increased overhead clearance and improved fuel economy. Transports one kayak up to 36 inches wide and up to 75 pounds. All straps and tie-downs needed to secure transporting are included. When the air is crisp and fresh powder is calling, head for the slopes with the Thule Ski and Snowboard Carrier. It's the perfect accessory for your Forester. This carrier can hold up to 6 pairs of skis or 4 snowboards securely with ultra-soft rubber arms that grip without scratching surfaces. When really big adventures require extra room, a variety of genuine Subaru rooftop accessories can give you the space you need. The Thule Heavy-Duty Roof Cargo Basket provides additional storage space with easy access to gear of all shapes and sizes. Its low-profile design and tapered sidewalls allow for easy loading and unloading. The roof cargo basket includes a black stretch net with hooks and custom fairing to help deflect wind. The Thule Cargo Carrier offers 13 cubic feet of lockable storage capacity and features dual side opening for easier loading and unloading from either side of the vehicle. Its low-profile, aerodynamic design provides increased garage access without sacrificing box capacity, and the quick grip mounting system allows for easy, tool-free installation and removal. When you have even more gear to haul, the Thule Cargo Carrier is available in an extended version, giving you an impressive 17 cubic feet of storage. All of the easy-to-use and security features of the cargo carrier are included. The only change is the increased storage capacity. For those times when biking over a mountain pass is part of the adventure, the Thule fork-mounted bike carrier is the perfect accessory. It features a sliding rear wheel cradle that moves forward and backwards to securely fit most bikes with up to 2.6-inch wide tires. The low-profile and lightweight aluminum tray is corrosion-resistant to help withstand the elements. To keep everything secure, the Thule bike wheel holder is used in conjunction with the fork-mounted bike carrier. This handy accessory is designed for mounting your bike's front wheel safely and securely to the roof of your vehicle. Easy to handle, install, and remove, this lightweight aluminum rack is nearly half the weight of most hitch racks. The Thule hitch-mounted bike carrier is optimized to properly attach to the genuine Subaru trailer hitch. Anti-sway cages prevent bike-to-bike and bike-to-vehicle contact while helping to absorb road shock for frame protection. For added convenience, the arms fold down when not in use, and the rack pivots backwards for easier access to the rear of the vehicle. An integrated locking cable and hitch pin securely lock the bike to the carrier and the carrier to the vehicle. The Subaru Forester is built for those who navigate life to the max. When you need to stow more gear, tow it with a genuine Subaru trailer hitch. Subaru hitches are engineered and crash tested to the same rigorous safety standards as the rest of your Forester. Get the extra height you need to easily access all of your rooftop lifestyle accessories with the convenience of the Thule portable step. It's constructed of heavy-duty steel and has rubber bumpers to help prevent wheel scrapes and scuffs. For added convenience, this portable step conveniently folds into a carrying bag for easy storage. Winter or summer, you can warm or cool your Forester before you enter the vehicle. Our remote engine starter allows the vehicle to be started with a simple push of a button. It works from the convenience of your home or office, up to 400 feet away depending on obstructions, so that the vehicle's climate control system can make the interior more comfortable. The push start works in conjunction with the keyless access and start system, and is an alternative for customers who do not wish to enroll in the Starlink Safety Plus and Security Plus package. This upgraded auto-dimming interior mirror detects glare and darkens automatically to protect your vision and help make any excursion safer. In addition to an 8-point digital compass, this genuine Subaru accessory features 3 backlit HomeLink buttons that can be programmed to operate most garage doors, security gates, home lighting, and more. HomeLink also lets you know the last status of your garage door, open or closed, if programmed to a compatible opener featuring 2-way communication. Enhance the auto-dimming mirror experience with the auto-dimming exterior mirror with approach light. Upon approaching the vehicle or unlocking the doors with the keyless entry system, LED lights located behind the Subaru logo in each exterior mirror illuminates the ground next to and towards the rear of the vehicle. During nighttime driving, the exterior auto-dimming mirrors will reduce headlight glare by dimming in unison with the auto-dimming interior mirror, creating a safer driving experience. The accessory requires the auto-dimming interior mirror. In today's connected world, it's important to keep your devices fully charged. It's easy when you add USB charging ports to your Forester. Capable of 2.1 amps, these ports are great for the fast charging of most personal electronics. Let the music take you to your happy place, no matter where the road leads. Enhance your Forester audio system to a new level of sound quality with the Rockford Fosgate audio upgrade. The upgrade includes an amplifier, upgraded speakers, and an integrated digital signal processor to customize the sound to your personal preferences. The LED upgrade for your dome light can take the interior lighting of your Forester to the next level. This upgrade offers noticeably brighter, wider, and crisper dome lighting compared to the standard equipment, and complements the rest of the interior lighting in the vehicle. Increase the illumination of the interior of your Forester with the addition of the Footwell Illumination Kit. The accessory casts a soothing blue glow to the front floor area and enhances visibility to the footwells. A breath of fresh air is always welcome, no matter where life takes you. The genuine Subaru side window deflectors let fresh air in while helping to keep the weather out. This accessory may not be legal in all states. Please check the laws of your state before installing. Add a little spice to the exterior of your Forester with a custom-look sport grille. This accessory replaces the lower portion of the stock factory grille. Available in chrome, silver, and black. We hope you've enjoyed taking an in-depth look at many of the genuine Subaru accessories. Each are designed to enhance your Subaru Forester. All are made to take your spirit of adventure to an exciting new level. No matter where the road leads, genuine Subaru accessories will be with you to help make every journey a memorable one. Every genuine Subaru accessory is backed by the balance of the vehicle's 3-year or 36,000-mile limited warranty, even if the accessory is installed after retail delivery. Genuine Subaru accessories installed after the 336 warranty period are backed by 1-year unlimited mileage warranty. Subaru Lifestyle Accessories by Thule have a limited lifetime warranty for the original purchaser. See your warranty and maintenance booklet for more details.